LaView provides industry-leading, affordable security solutions for your home and business. Our DIY cameras and systems are designed to fit seamlessly into your life without the need for an installer. Everything we offer is made for easy installation, done completely by you. By choosing LaView, you're taking security into your own hands to create a safer community for your home or business. LaView offers lifetime tech support for our products. Our support team is comprised of highly skilled industry professionals that will work directly with you to find solutions for all your needs. We never cut corners in quality. Our top-of-the-line security systems come fully optimized with advanced features. These customizable settings lead the industry in innovation and convenience. With the LaView app, you'll be able to view your home or business on your mobile device, anytime, anywhere. This all comes with no monthly fees. We don't believe in tacking on hidden costs or subscription charges. With LaView, it's all about you and your security, no strings attached. Whether you're looking to equip your home with security for the family or you need to monitor your business, we have you covered on every level. Be the master of your security with LaView.